First, prep oven with aluminum foil. Next, preheat oven to 240 degrees. While oven is preheating, prep your headlight by removing any screws or brackets holding them together. Once the oven is fully preheated, insert your headlights, being sure not to touch any of the sides. Bake your headlights for 12 to 15 minutes at a time. Once heated, take your headlight out and begin prying your headlights apart using a small flathead tool. After prying, use a firm grip and begin pulling the headlight apart. Part 2. Resealing your headlights. To reseal, use butyl headlight sealant and press into the headlight channel. Next, drill a hole for your LED product wires. We recommend using a wire gland to professionally reseal your hole. You may need to depan your LED connector in order to fit through the wire gland. Run your wires through the wire gland. Seat your lens back onto the housing. Press firmly so that lens is temporarily holding. Slide the cap and seal over the wires. and twist the wire gland to tighten and seal. Next, scrape in the connectors by pulling up on the tabs. Slide the JST connector back on and tug to make sure it's secure. Test your lights before completing the reseal. Rebake your headlights at 240 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Be sure headlight is not touching any sides of the oven. Next, take the headlights out of the oven. Firmly press the lens to the housing, ensuring all tabs are lined up. Use headlight clamps to hold the headlight and lens together while cooling. Reinstall any headlight hardware, like screws and brackets. Let headlight sit and cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Your headlight reseal is now complete.